with the spirit of excitement and a stadium brimming with anticipation. The build-up has been intense, and now we just can't wait for it all to begin. It's anyone's guess, though, which team will come out on top. All the action coming up next here on EA TV.
We're in North London for this one. It's the Emirates Stadium. Guy Mowbray here, and Sue Smith is here to commentate with me. And it's all about the Premier League here. It's Arsenal, and they play Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Cheers, Guy. Well, I'm sure both managers will have given them their final instructions. Go out and give it their all. Hopefully, that'll be enough for a positive result. I'm looking forward to this one.
And the ref has played advantage here. A really good interception to take the ball. Matheus Cunha! Oh, what a really good save that was. Delivered into the box. Well, the danger's still there. It's 1-0. The first blow struck very early.
Well, we can see it again now. He does so well to slip past his man, leaves him stranded. And then from that sort of range, he's never going to miss that, is he? It's an easy finish in the end.
Well, is there to be a response from Arsenal now as they get the game restarted? Nouri. Mario Lemina. Moving the ball forward. What can they do with this? The angle was against him, but it didn't miss by much.
No, it didn't. That's really unlucky. That is such a tight angle. Wasn't that far away in the end.
Good pressure this, high up the pitch. Takes the shot. Oh, seeking his second goal, but the keeper stops it.
He's certainly been bright, getting himself into good positions on a regular basis, but this time the keeper's equal to him.
Corner kick played in. There still could be something happening here. Now there could be a chance to counter. And this could be an equaliser. What a terrific to and fro start to the match.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they go from defence to attack. But then there's still plenty to do. He's under all sorts of pressure from the defender. He's just about able to keep him at bay. It's a really good goal.
And away we go again at 1-1. Body in the way, good work. Pushing forward with options available now. Matheus Cunha. The pass was read and the ball has changed hands. Lovely weighted pass. Oh, they scored again! The game had only just restarted after the last one.
Well, we can see it again now, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. It's inch perfect, and all the forward has to do is get on the end of it, which he does so well. It's a really nice finish.
So it's 2-1 as the game restarts. Lemina. Jean-Rigner Bellegarde. Excellent reading of the game to win the ball. Plenty of room out wide for Arsenal. And he didn't meet that as he might have. It's routine for the goalkeeper. Well, it did look promising, but threat averted. Nelson Semedo. Played into the penalty area. And the keeper more than equal to it. No free kick, not yet. Advantage played. Not so much given away as cleverly won. Here's the shot. Oh, it's still in there. Well, that promising attack has been stopped. Now there could be a real chance developing. Oh, could be a chance here. A chance now for a quick transition. Zinchenko. Ødegaard. It's cleared, and they can breathe easier. And he's being urged to shoot, and it's a decent stop by the goalkeeper. Played into the box. Only half the job done there. Martinelli. And that's that. The flag's up. Aït-Nouri. Just needs the composure now. And a marvellous save.
Well, I thought that was a goal, but he showed his quality there with a big save.
Into the box it goes. And the danger is cleared. Breaking at pace, this could be dangerous. Oh, great work. What's next? Has to be. And 2 becomes 3 as he completes his hat-trick. A superb performance.
Well, here it is again, and just look at how quickly they break forward, cause all sorts of problems. And then from that sort of range, he's never going to miss that, is he? It's an easy finish in the end.
So it's 3-1 as the ball gets rolling again. Ryan Aït-Nouri. Bellegarde. Lovely ball. Now what can they do with it? Oh, fantastic effort. Made great contact, but the keeper more than equal to it. And it's behind for a corner. Over it comes. And that brings to a close the first half at the Emirates. Well, he's put in a thoroughly dominant display so far. Absolutely outstanding.
Well, that's an outstanding first half performance. His goals have been really well taken, but it's his all-round game. His movement, his work rate. I wonder how many he's going to get today.
First kick of the second half of a game that's being dominated by Arsenal. Well, certainly wasn't a clean tackle, might go in the book here. And there we are, yellow card.
Well, you could tell by his body language, he knew a card was coming there.
Could turn out to be a really good ball. And the header is only a little bit too high.
He's just got to get over the ball to keep it down. The delivery's great, it's into a dangerous area. Should have done better, really.
Gabriel Martinelli. Encouraging signs to the attack, but it hasn't led to anything. Jesus. It's played into the box. That will be an Arsenal corner. Corner kick played in. Well, the danger's still there. Arsenal regaining possession. The ball is lost, and the chance has gone too. Jesus. And the ball has been nicely cut out. It looks the right ball. Mateus Cunha. To reduce the deficit. And a brilliant save.
What a stop that is. Really good goalkeeping.
The referee playing advantage. And there won't be any rebounds there. Nouri. Needs to be careful here. And unable to retain possession. And they want to see a shot here. The effort shut out. Well, that has to be a booking. That was quite deliberate. And that is a caution.
Well, it's a poor challenge. Had to be booked for that.
Not far away.
It's not far away, Guy. They're certainly giving their all. They're really pressing to get a goal. And that was close.
Jorginho. On to Jesus. Wasteful from Arsenal. Lovely ball, could be a chance. Jesus. And it's been cut out. There's the turnover. And it's a decent stop by the goalkeeper. Oh, what's happened here? They could be in. Wang Hee-chan. Well, they could get caught out on the break here. Mateus Cunha. Jesus. Played to Martinelli. Martinelli. Jorginho. Bit sloppy in possession. Jean-Rigner Bellegarde. Decent-looking attack, this. And the defence has done its job to stop any trouble brewing. Oh, worth a shot. Gabriel Martinelli. Jorginho. Given away by Arsenal. Saka. And able to come away with the ball. Mateus Cunha. Nelson Semedo. And the referee has given a penalty. Well, no card, just a warning and a fair few protestations.
Well, he's probably got away with that. You can see why they'd expect a card.
Wanderers. Coming off the pitch, number 5, Mario Lemina. To be replaced by number 2, Matt.
Well, this has to go in. And they have paid the penalty. It's been dispatched.
Well, if you look at the replay, the goalkeeper's going to be so disappointed he couldn't keep this out. He anticipates the right way, gets a hand on it, but it's just not enough.
Plenty of goals here today then, 3-2 now. Alexander Zinchenko. Saka. Sloppy in possession from Arsenal. There's good width to this attack now. And this is a positive move as they seek that equaliser. And it's on now. Oh, it's in! Back from the brink with a timely equaliser.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts with the delivery into the box. He's just begging for someone to get on the end of it. And then the finish couldn't be any better, could it? Struck it so cleanly with great technique. It's a superb goal.
That's it. The ref brings a close to the action.